Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys that I'll be back with a new tutorial, so here I am. I'm going to show you how I make cakesicles. I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you're new here, please subscribe, like and share my channel. If you're coming back, gang, thank you guys for coming back. So guys, first things first, you need to have your chocolate melted and cooled before you can pour into your molds. After pouring, just make sure the chocolate is well distributed. I use a painting brush to get it in all the spaces of the molds, making sure there's no holes, no gaps around it. And if you feel like the chocolate is not enough, just add more, let it set and see if you still need more. And when you're done, just put in your sticks and let it sit in the fridge for a few minutes, and then you're ready to put in your batter. Please be aware that this is just a tutorial, which is why I'm not wearing gloves. If it's for a client, I'll be wearing gloves. Here I'm using chocolate cake mixed together with chocolate buttercream. Now to close up the cakesicle, you just use the remaining chocolate, just spread it until it's well distributed at the back. Now this process will be messy, so just have fun with it. Just distribute and then you'll fix it up after you've set it. To set the cakesicle, just put it back in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes and you can just test it out and see how hard it is. Don't press too hard or it will break. Once your chocolate is set, just carefully remove your cakesicle from your mold. Just be careful with it because these will break if you're too hard on them. Now if you can see on the sides, there's that excess chocolate that we left out when we were closing it up. Now you can fix that up by just carefully trimming the sides with a sharp knife. So for the gold sprinkle or splash, I just used gold luster with lemon extract, and then I just sprinkled it with the brush on top of the cakesicle just to make that design. And then I went in with my favorite gold leaf, so I just have to put it out there. The gold leaf was refusing to stick on, so I had to pat it on with the brush. And then for the finishing touch, I used black food coloring and I painted it on the side of the gold leaf to make the leopard print effect. And there you have it, leopard print cakesicle. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye!